Good afternoon, everyone.
Good morning, Alefia.
Good morning. Let's wait for a few minutes and then we can do this peak state programming. So for all the new participants, this peak state programming, actually, it was introduced by Tony Robbins. And I was personally introduced by Rajan sir. I really thank him. He's a very noble soul, I can say. And he gave us this gift of peak state programming. So I will play the audio so you all can understand what is peak state programming and how it affects our brain, because it takes us into a gamma frequency. So our mind get alerts whenever we do this peak state programming. Okay, so I'll put on the audio. Let me see. We have still 2 minutes, so we can allow
Good
other.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Rekha ji. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Fine. So, how was the magic month for all of you?
Yeah, it was very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Continuing doing my gratitude affirmation, I left.
Okay.
Starting.
Yeah, start again.
I had my sister at home, so I couldn't do affirmation. Gratitude, I'm continuing. Still,
okay. That's fine. Yeah.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So from today on, I want you all, whoever done at least one time the whole magic book, I want you all to be a little more, little more, do it with little more conviction. If you decide by yourself, like right now, what you do, if you decide that you want to finish your housework within this time and that time, whatever it is, just like that, put some time on it and start doing it in on time every single day. Like if you I would suggest magic book, you should be doing it immediately after you wake up, not even before going to the bathroom or going to anywhere. First do the magic book and then start your day. I mean, gratitude. Yes, you can do other exercises later on, but at least 10 blessings you should be writing immediately after you wake up. Because as I already told you many times, that we are working on our subconscious mind. We are making new neural pathways in our brain, and we are making new rewiring our brain actually. So what we have to do is do it immediately after you wake up, so your conscious mind is still kind of waking up. It's not awake, fully awake, so it's still kind of trying to wake up. And at that time, if you do this practice, that is how it does wonders in your life. So I would suggest again and again, please don't discount it. Do your practices every day, and you will see the miracles within few days. If you do it correctly, within few days, you will start noticing how your own being changes, your own happiness, your own self to tackle other things will change dramatically. Okay, so I'll put on the whole audio today so that everybody can understand what is peak state programming.
Peak state programming. Hello friends, I welcome you to peak state programming. This is Awesome SRK. I'm a businessman, author, and a happiness coach. Change your state, change your story. Peak state programming of our subconscious mind shall be practiced daily, morning, or at any time of the day. This practice can be repeated in the day again and again as required. Peak state programming is about being in action. The practice is about programming our subconscious mind with a sense of winning. By doing this practice, we shift our mind into gamma frequency, which is the highest alertness of the mind. While doing this practice, the thought and feelings are important. Think and feel that you are running an Olympic race, and yes, you are the winner. You have to think in your mind, I am the winner, and keep on repeating this the full day. I am the winner. By regularly practicing, you will feel like a winner and your energy levels will improve. It's about
Please, everybody,
physical
keep your
action
videos on
and developing a big
and do
energy.
this peak state programming. Don't discount it.
practice
This is
for
really
next
a very
21
good
days
practice
and
to
repeat
alert
it
your
as
mind.
often as possible. This is peak state programming. How to change your mental state instantly. Stand in a running position with the right leg in the front and left ankle raised in a running position. Think and feel that you are running an Olympic race and you are winning. Standing in the same position, just move your hands faster and faster. Okay, so let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, run.
Right.
Run faster. Yes, fast. Yes, come on, faster. Yes, fast. Come on, faster. Yes, come on. Yes, you can do it. Come on, faster. Yes. Keep running. Fast. Yes, come on, fast. Still faster. Yes, faster. Come on. Go fast. Yes, fast. And now stop. Thank you. Yes, very
Yes,
nice. Very
I'm
nice.
the
Very
winner.
nice.
Yes,
And you
we
say
all
to
are the
yourself,
winners.
I am the winner. Yes.
Now on left
Thank
leg.
you. So now repeat the same practice with your left leg ahead and right leg with the ankle raised behind. We do the same thing again. Okay, so let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, run. Come on, run faster. Yes, faster. Still faster. Yes. Come on. Yes, come on, fast. Yes, come on, fast. Come on. Yes. Run faster. Come on. Still faster. Yes. Come on, faster. Yes. Come on, fast. You can do it. Come on. Run faster. Still faster. Yes. Run faster. You are going to win. Come on. You're the winner. I'm the winner. Come on. Faster. Yes. Come on. Yes. Okay. Wonderful. Just stop. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
I am the winner.
And now you say to
Yes,
yourself,
we all
yes,
are the winners.
I am the winner. Yes, I am the winner. And now we say to ourselves, I can. Okay, repeat.
I can.
I will.
I will.
I must.
I must.
I can. I will.
can.
I
I
must.
will. I must.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so who would like to read today? Anybody like to read today?
If no one is there, can I read?
Yeah, your mic is echoing, Hatim.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible. Okay, so first we start with the magic book, and then we will do the power book. Okay, let me share the screen. Can you see the book, Hatim?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So yeah, let's read. This time we will not go into much detail. I mean, we will read maybe 2 chapters today. Okay. So we can go a little faster than last time. I mean, I don't want to go very quick with this. I will explain wherever I feel I need to. But other than that, we will just do it. Okay. Okay, let me ask you one thing before we go further. So, do you all want me to include some Hindi or completely Hindi, whatever you all say? I can do that. Cast your vote if you want it in Hindi or do you want it in continue with the English? Tell me. Yes, Rajeshwari, I know you always want Hindi. Both languages. Okay. Both will do with me. Okay, okay, perfect. Okay, okay. Thank you everyone for replying. Yeah, so I'll include a little bit of Hindi in between. So it makes it clear everything. Okay. Okay, so let's read.
One word changes everything. For more than 20 centuries, words within a sacred text have mystified, confused, and been misunderstood by almost all who read them. Only a very few people through history have realized that the words are a riddle, and that once you solve the riddle, once you uncover the mystery, a new word will appear before your eyes. In the magic, Rhonda Byrne reveals this life-changing knowledge to the world. Then, on an incredible 28-day journey, she teaches you how to apply this knowledge in your everyday life.
Yes, so
No
for
matter-
those of the ones who just joined today, I would just like to introduce you to the Rhonda Byrne. She actually wrote this. She came to know about this secret from one of the book, which is um, how to um, uh, how to be Science of Getting Rich by Wallace Wattles. That was the book handed by her daughter one day जब वो बहुत ही डिस्पेयर में थी उस टाइम पे. She lost her father. She didn't have. Her company was bankrupt and something like that. And she also, I think, divorced her husband. And so many things were going on in her life, and there was no way out. That was the time when her daughter, she handed her this book. And after this book, everything changes for her. And it was her first, it was her उसका एक सपना था. क्या सपना था उसका कि उसको ये जो सीक्रेट है उसको पूरे वर्ल्ड के सामने लाना है. Millions of people should watch the movie. So within next 2 years, she used this power of gratitude. She used whatever she found on those books. She researched so many different historical books and all the mythology and everything, almost all the religious books also. And she found that this is the law which governs everything. That is the law of attraction. अभी आप बिलीव करो या ना करो, अपनी लाइफ में ये लॉ हमेशा काम करता है. अभी भी आपकी लाइफ में यही लॉ काम करता है एवरी डे. जो भी आपके थॉट्स है वही आपकी दुनिया है. Whatever your thoughts are, that is what is your world. So now what we will be doing through all these practices and everything, we will change our deepest thoughts. Because अभी क्या हो रहा है, हमारे thoughts autopilot mode पे है most of the time. So we cannot even control them. Sometimes we don't even know, because it is deep within us. Because everything is in subconscious mind. We have two different hemisphere of brain, right? So this part is called our conscious mind, the upper hemisphere, and the lower one is our subconscious mind. And our subconscious mind is the one who governs everything in our life. So if you train your subconscious mind to do a particular thing, everything is in your control. You don't give control to anybody else or anything else in your life. You take the control in your own hand, and you are the one who will steer your life. अभी क्या हो रहा है, अभी हमारे आउटर सर्कमस्टांसेस हमारी लाइफ को चला रहे हैं. जो भी हमें आता है एवरी डे, क्या होता है, कुछ अगर अच्छी बात हुई तो हम अच्छे से रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, कुछ भी खराब हमारे साथ होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, रोने लगते हैं, सैड हो जाते हैं, फियर में चले जाते हैं, वरीज में चले जाते हैं। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्या अभी होता है, इधर वी लिव इन अवर पास्ट और वी लिव इन अवर फ्यूचर। या तो हम फ्यूचर के लिए वरी करते रहते हैं, या तो हम पास्ट में जाके उसका जो इफेक्ट होता है उसमें उसके अंदर रहते हैं। अगर किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो हम वही सोचे रहते हैं पूरा टाइम, उसमें से बाहर नहीं आ पाते हैं। कभी कभी हम चाहते हैं तो भी नहीं बाहर आ पाते। क्यों? क्योंकि वो जब नेगेटिव थिंकिंग, वन नेगेटिव थॉट कैन गिव so much like so much into the other negative feelings. So एक नेगेटिव थॉट बहुत सारे नेगेटिव थॉट्स को लेके आता है, तो ये साइकिल चलते ही रहता है। हम नहीं कंट्रोल करते लाइफ, लाइफ हमें कंट्रोल करती है। तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे ब्रेन को बिल्कुल भी रीवायर करेंगे। कैसे करेंगे, ये सब बुक्स हमें समझाएगी। और again and again I'm telling you, please follow the book religiously. These books are not ordinary books. Those are written and like even though it's only written by Rhonda Byrne, but she included so many different holy books in these books. And also she written with the help of so many different people. If you watch the Secret movie, if anybody new to this program, I would suggest to watch the Secret movie. हम लोगों ने सबने साथ में लास्ट टाइम देखा था, और आई इवन एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल हाउ द सीक्रेट वर्क्स, so I would suggest to please go back and it's available on YouTube. I will share the link today in the group. Please watch the movie. It is available in Hindi and English both, so please watch the movie and just trust this process. And I promise you, I guarantee you, if you do all these assignments the way it is designed, and if you do it consistently, definitely it will change your being little by little. You have to stay with the process. Okay, so yeah, let's read further.
No matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what are your current circumstances, the magic is going to change your entire life. The Magic by Rhonda Byrne.
Mhm.
Uh,
Okay, so here the
what should I
copyright.
read?
No, these are the copyrights and all. So Atria Books, they actually publish these books. So this is a publication. And then photocopying, recording, and information storage cannot be done without a permission. And it's for educational and not for diagnosis or prescription or treatment. That is what every book has to say before they do it, because it's a law in US. Okay, so yeah, you can read from here.
By this means, you will acquire the glory of the whole world. The Emerald Tablet, circa 3000 to 5000 BC. Dedicated to you. May the magic open up a new world for you and bring you joy for your entire existence. This is my intention for you and for the world.
Yeah, so Rhonda Byrne always set up her intention before she, she start writing the book. So this is her intention, very, very great intention, and that is what these books did in entire world. These books are sold in millions of copies, and they are printed in so many different languages. And whoever uses these books for their entire existence, it brings so much joy, happiness, abundance in their lives. So you can also, we all are same, we all are powerful people, because we are born on this planet with some kind of mission in ourselves, which we right now, which we don't know. But if we do this practice and if we explore our own inner world, we will come to know our own mission in life. So that is the intention by the Rhonda Byrne, that magic open up a new world for you. Because this is an entire journey of going within, finding ourselves, discovering our new self. I mean, our self, which is already there. So this is what it is all about. Okay, let's read the acknowledgements. Hatim, you can, you are on mute.
So, acknowledgements. When I first sit down to write a book, the creation begins as joyful yet solitary one. There is just the universe and me. Then gradually circle begins to widen, encompassing more and more people, all of whom contribute their expertise until finally you are holding the creation of a new book in your hands. The following people were a part of the ever widening circle of creation that allowed the magic to reach you. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my daughter Sky, who worked tirelessly side by side with me, editing along with Josh Gold, who contributed his scientific knowledge and research skills to help me unite the discoveries of science with the words of religion. Thanks to my editor, Cindy Black from Beyond Words, for her straightforward editing approach and probing questions, which have made me a better writer. Thanks to Nick George for his creative vision, which captured the which captured the magic through the interior graphics and the front cover.
So right now she is giving thanks to all people who were involved in the book. Initially, her journey started all alone, but and with the universe, like she says. But as she went along and along, so many people already joined her journey with her, and all even some people helped her unite the discoveries of science with the words of religion. So these books are not just religious books, or they're not just a spiritual books. All these books also include science behind it. Okay, so yeah, let's read further. She's thanking all these people who helped her.
To Seamus Hoare and Carla Thornton at Gozer Media, thanks for the final production of the graphics and the layout of the book. Thanks to the Secret team who helped me take a new book into the world and who are the backbone of my work. In particular, my sister Jan Child, who heads up the entire publishing team, Andrea Kerr, who heads up our colossal creative team, Paul Harrington and my sister Glenda Bell, who teamed up with photographer Raphael Kilpatrick and the rest of our team to create the magical pictures in this book. And thanks to the other Secret team members whose behind the scenes work is invaluable. Don Zink, Mark Connor, Mike Gardiner, Lori Sharapo, Corey Johansing, C. Lee, Shai Lee, Peter Breen, and my daughter Haley. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my publishers, Atria Books and Simon and Suster. We pronounce it?
No, it's fine. You can just skip the names. I mean, it's okay. Those are little,
Okay.
old names.
To Caroline Reddy, Judith Kerr, and all the names. I am blessed to have such an amazing team of people. Thank you, thank you, thank you to Angel Martin Velios for his spiritual guidance, love, and wisdom, to my sister Pauline Vernon and my dearest friends and family for their continued support and enthusiasm for my work. And with the deepest gratitude to those great human beings of the centuries ago who discovered the truths of life and who left their written words so that we might discover them at exactly the right time. That indefinable life-changing moment, can we have the eyes to see and the ears to hear?
So here C says that in only discover them at this exactly the right time. So all the people right now in this Zoom session, they are already ready to receive this information. Not everybody in life is receiving this. Why? because there are certain people who are ready in their life. Everything happens for a reason. Always believe that everything happens for a reason, and you are here because of that reason. So this is like exactly right time we are discovering this book. And she also saying thanks to whoever left the written words. You know, the books are the main there are so many books written 100, 200, 300 years ago, and maybe some books written so many years ago. But when we read them, we come to know so many mysterious things about life. And our India is completely, it is so rich in our heritage. It has so many different books which provides, I mean, the whole Western world, they learned everything, so many things from our Indian mythological books and our Indian holy books. And yeah, so books are very important. So this is like the contents. It is divided into some of this is like introduction chapters, and then it is divided into 28 days practices. So we will take all the practices one by one every single day. It might increase a little bit of time, but we will be doing it no matter what. Like we will read power and we will read magic book. Okay, so do you believe in magic? So here's, see, the trees are over there, and there are so much magical sparkle everywhere. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to yeah, so all the magical sparkles are everywhere. So Roald Dahl, what he said, he's a writer. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. So अभी इतने सारे लोग होंगे आपके आसपास भी बोलते होंगे कि नहीं, ये सब तो नहीं काम करता है, ये है वो है. Don't believe anybody. It is those people will never find the magic because they don't believe in it. So if you are on this journey from your circle, if you are the only one on this journey, just believe the process, stay in the process, and do whatever it takes to find your own self. Okay, let's read.
Remember, when you are a child and you look at life in total wonder and awe, life was magical and exciting, and the smallest things were utterly thrilling to you. You are fascinated by the frost on the grass, a butterfly flittering through the air, or any strange leaf or rock on the ground. You are full of excitement when you lost a tooth, because it meant the tooth fairy would be coming up that night, and you would count down the days to that magical night of Christmas. Even though you had no idea how Santa Claus could get to every child in the world in one night, somehow he did it, and he never let you down. Reindeer could fly. There were fairies in the garden. Pets were like people. Toys had personalities. Dreams came true, and you could touch the stars. Your heart was full of joy. Your imagination knew no limits, and you believed that life was magical. There is an exquisite feeling many of us had as children, that everything is good, that every day promises more excitement and adventure, and that nothing could ever thwart our joy for the magic of it all. But somehow, as we grew into adults, responsibilities, problems, and difficulties took their toll on us. We became disillusioned, and the magic we once believed in as children faded and disappeared. It's one of the reasons why, as adults, we love to be around children, so that we can experience that feeling we once had, even if it's just for a moment.
So
I'm here.
अभी यहाँ पे रोंडा बर्न क्या बात कर रही है कि जब बच्चे थे तो हमारी इमेजिनेशन कितनी वाइल्ड होती थी. हम कुछ भी इमेजिन करते थे, हम कैसा प्लेस बनाते थे जिसमें इमेजिनेशन इन्वॉल्व होता था. जैसे यहाँ पे इसकी भी बात कर रही है कि सांता क्लॉज every Christmas night Santa would come to your house and he would deliver the gifts for the kids. You know, they all believe in here. The children, they do believe in here that Santa Claus is a thing. He comes every Christmas night and deliver the gifts. सो वो वही बात कर रही है यहाँ पे कि कैसे हम लोग पेट्स को भी हम पीपल की तरह ट्रीट करते थे। टॉयज में भी कुछ ना कुछ पर्सनालिटीज होती थी, हम खुद इमेजिन करते थे और हमारे ड्रीम्स सच भी हो जाते थे। वी कुड टच द स्टार्स। जब हम बड़े होते हैं तब हमारे पास इतनी इमेजिनेशन होती है, हम कुछ भी करने के लिए रेडी होते हैं। फिर पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं कि नहीं बच्चा ये मत करो, ऐसा करोगे तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, ऐसा करोगे तो ये होगा। तो वो करते करते क्या होता है, हमारी लाइफ इतनी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बनती जाती है। जब हम बॉर्न होते तब तो हम बहुत सिंपल होते, बहुत ही जॉयफुल होते, हैप्पी होते। कभी किसी भी मोमेंट में अगर कुछ होता भी है, अगर हमारे फ्रेंड ने हमारे साथ कुछ कर भी दिया तो हम नेक्स्ट मोमेंट में इसके साथ वापस घुल मिल जाते हैं। सो इतनी अच्छी लाइफ होती है जब हम बचपन में होते हैं। और उसके बाद क्या होता है, जैसे जैसे बड़े होते हैं बिलीफ सिस्टम हमारी बनती जाती है हमारे आसपास के एनवायरमेंट से, और हम वो सब मैजिक भूल जाते हैं वन बाय वन, लिटिल बाय लिटिल। ओके, सो यू कैन रीड फर्दर, हातिम।
I am here to tell you that the magic you once believed in is true, and it's disillusioned adult perspective of life that is false. The magic of life is real, and it's as real as you are. In fact, life can be far more wondrous when you ever thought it was a child, and more breathtaking, awe-inspiring, and exciting than anything you have seen before. When you know what to do to bring forth the magic, you will live the life of your dreams. Then you will wonder how you ever could have given up in believing in the magic of life.
ओके, सो मैं अपनी बात बताती हूँ। मैं ये 8 महीने से ये प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ कंटिन्यूअसली, विदाउट एनी डे गेट बाय विदाउट डूइंग दिस प्रैक्टिस। कभी भी ऐसा नहीं दिन आया जब मैंने ये प्रैक्टिस नहीं की हो। और मैं आपको बताती हूँ, जो बचपन में जो एक्साइटमेंट होता था लाइफ में, जो कुछ कुछ मैजिक्स हम ऑलवेज बिलीव करते थे, वो मैंने अभी स्टार्ट किया है बिलीव करना। मुझे कभी सन आके मुझे इतने सारे क्लूज मिलते ही रहते थ्रू आउट द डे कि लाइफ सुप्रीम पावर इज विथ मी ऑल द टाइम। इससे मुझे क्लूज हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं पे दिखते रहते हैं। वी विल रीड इन वन ऑफ द चैप्टर हाउ यू कैन फाइंड द क्लूज एंड यू कैन रिलेट इट विथ योर विथ योर ओन लाइफ। तो अभी मेरे साथ सेम थिंग होती है, सेम चीजें होती है कि कभी कभी मैं सोचती हूँ वो चीज हो जाती है। क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जब आप ये मैजिक जब आप ग्रेटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस को अपनी लाइफ में लाते हो, all the things starts melting up, like all the past starts melting up in your life, or you don't have any worry about the future. That's where the excitement comes back in your life. Okay, let's read further.
You may not see reindeer fly, but you will see the things you have always wanted appearing before your eyes. And you will see the things you have dreamed of for so long suddenly happening. You will never know exactly how everything weaved together for your dreams to come true, because magic works in the invisible realm. And that's the most thrilling part.
या
Are you ready to
आपको बस ये
experience?
करना ही है, ऐसा सोचना नहीं है कि कैसे होगा। कैसे को छोड़ दो यूनिवर्स के ऊपर। आप बस ये करते जाओ करते जाओ करते जाओ कंटिन्यूअसली, एंड इट विल स्टार्ट हैपनिंग। ओके, रीड फर्दर।
Are you ready to experience the magic again? Are you ready to be filled with awe and wonder every day like when you were a child? Get ready for the magic. Our adventure begins 2000 years ago, when life-changing knowledge was hidden within a sacred text.
Okay,
The great
so
mystery is revealed.
let's do this chapter tomorrow. So we'll read these two chapters tomorrow. So now, Hatim, let's read Power Book. Thank you for reading so beautifully.
Thank you.
Hold on, let me share the screen. Okay, this is the power. Okay, let me. I haven't screen. Okay. Okay. So, Secret by Rhonda Byrne. I will read this one and then I'll let you know when to read. Okay. Thank you. So, you are meant to have an amazing life. That is what it is. You are meant to have an amazing life. Right now, what is happening? We are not living the amazing life that we are supposed to live. In this book, I want to show you the way to an amazing life. There is so much for you to know about life, and it is all good. In fact, it is beyond good. It is phenomenal. Life is so much easier than you think it is. And as you come to understand the way life works and power you have inside you, you will experience the magic of life in its fullness. And then you will have an amazing life. Now let the magic of your life begin from the power. And for more information, you can also go to visit, you can go and visit www.secret.tv. Here you can also find so many stories, how the secret and how the power, how magic book, all those books change millions and millions of people's life. You can read those stories. Okay. So this is the handbook to the greatest power in the universe, the power to have everything you want. So you all must be wondering, like, what is that power? So it will be revealed in this book. So without the power, you would not have been born. Without the power, there wouldn't be a single human being on the planet. Every discovery, invention, and human creation comes from the power. Perfect health, incredible relationships, a career you love, a life filled with happiness, and the money you need to be, do, and have everything you want all come from the power. The life of your dreams has always been closer to you than you realized, because the power to have everything good in life is inside you. To create anything, to change anything, all it takes is just one thing, the power. And this is about Rhonda Byrne. Rhonda Byrne's intention is joy to billions. She began her journey with the Secret film, viewed by millions across the planet. She followed the Secret book, a worldwide bestseller now available in 46 languages. Now with the power, Rhonda Byrne continues her groundbreaking work as she reveals the single greatest force in the universe. So, this is the single greatest force in the universe, which is right now running the whole universe. क्या है वो पावर है जिससे हम यहाँ पे पैदा हुए हैं, जिससे यहाँ पे पूरी दुनिया चल रही है, और अभी भी इनविजिबल रेम्स में वो सब कुछ है जो हम पाना चाहते हैं, जो भी हमारी डिजायर्स है, वह अभी क्यों नहीं पा रहे? क्योंकि हमारे थॉट्स अलाइंड नहीं है. जैसे ही हमारे थॉट्स, हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी अलाइन होती है यूनिवर्स के साथ, वैसे ही हम तुरंत हमारी ड्रीम लाइफ जीना चालू करते हैं. तो that power will be revealed in this book. So the power by Rhonda Byrne, and again she's talking here about all the publications and everything. Okay, so the Emerald Tablet, what it is said in circa 3000 BC, it is the cause of all perfection of all things throughout the universe. अभी हम हमारी लाइफ में इतने उलझे रहते हैं कि हमने हमारी लाइफ जो बियॉन्ड हमारी इतनी सी दुनिया के बियॉन्ड जो लाइफ होती है वो हम देखे ही नहीं है अभी तक. इतनी जबरदस्त परफेक्शन के साथ इंट्रिकेट है ये यूनिवर्स कि क्या बोलूं आपको. जब आप ट्रैवल करेंगे, आप थोड़ा थोड़ा लाइफ को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, जब आपके थोड़े पर्दे हटेंगे आपके दिमाग पे से, आपकी आईज पे से, तब आप जब देखना चालू करेंगे यूनिवर्स को, oh my God, it is with all the perfection throughout the universe. You will see everything is in order, in its place, even though everything would even seem like a disorderly. So we will find how we can also live the life of our dreams, dedicated to you. So these are the contents. First, she is again acknowledging all the people who were contributing to this journey. Then introduction, what is the power? So we will read in the first chapter what is the power after introduction. And then she divided the chapters in like feelings, feeling frequencies, power and creation, like how the whole creation came into existence. Feelings is actually a creation. Then life follows you. You don't follow life. Life actually follows you. And she also reveals you the keys to power. Then she applies this power to money, relationship, health, power and you, and power and life. So these are the contents of the book. So, okay. So, Hatim, do you want to read now further forward from this forward?
Yes. Forward, September 9, 2004 is a day I will never forget. It seemed like any other morning when I woke, but it would become the greatest day of my life. Like most other people, I had struggled and worked hard to survive all my life, dealing with difficulties and obstacles as best I could. But 2004 had been an especially tough year for me, and the challenging circumstances literally brought me to my knees on September 9. My relationships, health, career, and finances appeared to be in an irretrievable state. I could see no way out of the mounting difficulties that surrounded me. And then it happened. My daughter handed me a 100-year-old book, and during the 90 minutes it took me to read the book, my entire life changed. I understood how everything had happened in my life, and I immediately knew what to do to change every circumstance into what I wanted.
तो एक चीज यहाँ पे मैं बताना चाहूंगी, ये यहाँ पे देखो इन्होंने बुक का भी लिखा है, साइंस ऑफ गेटिंग रिच. द बुक इज अवेलेबल एज अ फ्री डाउनलोड ऑन द सीक्रेट वेबसाइट. I can share the book if you all want it. But this Wallace Wattles, he wrote this book, Science of Getting Rich. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you here, जैसे ये इन अपनी खुद की स्टोरी बता रहे हैं कि उन्होंने ये 90 बुक में ये रीड करी बुक और एंटायर लाइफ चेंज्ड. क्यों ये बुक ही इनके पास आई? क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं पे शी वांटेड हर लाइफ टू चेंज. कहीं ना कहीं पे अंदर से था कि नहीं, एक होप जरूर है लाइफ में. इतनी सारी डिफिकल्टीज के अंदर भी कहीं ना कहीं पे एक चीज है जो मुझे इससे उभार सकती है, जो मुझे इससे ऊपर ला सकती है. जैसे मैं अपनी भी बात करूं तो लास्ट ईयर वाज अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी financial wise. Like I had a little big breakdown in my in something that happened last year. So क्या हुआ, जब आप एकदम डिस्पेयर में होते हैं, जब आपको लगता है कि कोई वे आउट ही नहीं है लाइफ में, तब कहीं ना कहीं आपके अंदर एक छोटी सी होप होती है जो आपको कैरी ऑन करती है लाइफ में. हमेशा आपको कहीं ना कहीं पे वो एक भगवान, खुदा, अल्लाह, सुप्रीम पावर, उनके ऊपर कहीं ना कहीं आपको विश्वास होता है कि हाँ, ये मेरी लाइफ में भी कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होगा और मैं मेरी सर्कमस्टांसेस चेंज कर पाऊंगी. द सेम वे दिस बुक केम इनटू रोहिंडा बर्न्स लाइफ. एंड वो रातों रात सब चेंज नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि उसने 90 मिनट की वो बुक पढ़ी, उन्होंने समझ लिया कि या कैसे ये काम करता है, क्योंकि she could relate all her life to the past also, whatever she was doing. And she started researching more and more into this subject. She started reading more books. जो हम अभी कल ही हमने जो मूवी देखा था, थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच, वो मूवी भी क्या है, जो बुक लिखी थी उन्होंने, नेपोलियन हिल ने, बहुत सालों पहले उन्होंने ये बुक लिखी थी, नेपोलियन हिल ने. और अभी यहाँ यूएस में सभी लाइब्रेरीज में ये सब बुक्स अवेलेबल होती है. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ये बुक पढ़ते हैं और जिसकी आप अगर जाएंगे यूट्यूब पे भी आपको बहुत सारी उसकी समरीज वगैरह मिलेगी आपको ये सब बुक्स की। क्यों? क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों ने पढ़ी है, अपनी लाइफ में अप्लाई की है और उन्होंने खुद की लाइफ को चेंज किया है। So that is why these books are like sacred text for us. एक तो क्या है, जो होली बुक्स हम पढ़ते हैं तो इतनी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होती है, वो भी सब लाइफस्टाइल के लिए ही होती है बुक्स। ये सब बुक्स भी हमें यही सिखाना चाहती है कि कैसे हमें स्पिरिचुअली इंक्लाइंड होना है। बट ये रोंडा बर्न ने ये बुक्स इतनी सही तरीके से, इतनी सहज तरीके से लिखी है। वेरी सिंपली इट इज रिटर्न दैट वी कैन इनकलकेट दोज प्रैक्टिसेस इन अवर डेली लाइफ। अभी क्या होता है, जब हम बुक्स पढ़ते हैं तो हमें डेली लाइफ में कैसे अप्लाई करना है वो पता ही नहीं होता है। हम थोड़े दिन तो कभी कभी हम देख लेते हैं, कोई मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस देख लेते हैं तो हमें पता होता है कि हाँ हमें पॉजिटिव सोचना है, हमें ये करना है, हमें ये करना है। बट क्या होता है, हम 1-2 महीने करते हैं, वापस वही बैक टू लाइफ में चले जाते हैं। वही हमारा वही रोना धोना चालू हो जाता है, वही हमें लगता है कि नहीं लाइफ तो बहुत मुश्किल है, हमें वही हमारी कंप्लेंट्स चालू हो जाती है हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में। क्यों होता है? क्योंकि हम ये सब अप्लाई नहीं कर पाते हैं लाइफ में, इम्प्लीमेंट ही नहीं कर पाते हैं। अभी क्या होगा, ये बुक्स हमें सिखाएगी कि हम इसको डे टू डे लाइफ में कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं। जैसे ये पावर बुक और मैजिक बुक दोनों ही हमें सिखाएगी कि हमें डे टू डे लाइफ में हमारे थॉट्स को कैसे वॉच करना है। जैसे ग्रेटिट्यूड तो हमारे जड़ में से कोई कोई चीजों को उखाड़ फेंकेगी जब हम ग्रेटिट्यूड चालू करेंगे, स्टार्ट करेंगे। और वैसे ही पावर बुक हमारे इंटरनल थॉट्स के ऊपर काम करेगी। दैट इज व्हाई आई चोज दिस 2 बुक्स बिफोर वी गो फर्दर विथ एनी अदर बुक्स। क्योंकि ये बुक्स बहुत जरूरी है आपके इंटरनल पे काम करने के लिए। क्योंकि आप जितने भी मोटिवेशनल पढ़ लो, जितने भी मोटिवेशनल चीजें कर लो, कहीं कहीं पे कोचिंग के लिए चले जाओ, ये कर लो वो कर लो, पर आपको जो अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करना है ये बुक सिखाएगी कैसे करना है। तो और ये बहुत ही इजी वे आउट है। अभी तक जो भी हम लेते हैं, कभी कभी काउंसलिंग में चले जाते हैं, जब भी हमें लगता है कि हमारी लाइफ बहुत ही मुश्किल हो रही है, what we do, we go for counseling. All those are a little, roads which are little difficult for us, but these roads are the way. These roads are very very simple, simply laid for us, and we are here for a reason. So please believe me, go with the process and trust the process. I always say that. Okay, let's read further.
And the book that Rhonda Byrne got was The Science of Getting Rich from Her Daughter. Is
Yes,
it?
yes, here it is written in the little text.
Yes, yes, right.
Science
Okay.
of Getting Rich. Yeah.
I had discovered a secret that I had been passed on through centuries, but had been known by very few people throughout history. From that moment, the world I saw was not the same world. Everything I had believed about the way life worked was very opposite of how it really was. I had lived decades believing that things in life just happened to us, but now I could see the incredible truth. I could see that the majority of people did not know this secret. And so I set out to share it with the world. Against every imaginable obstacle, I created the film The Secret, and it was released to the world in 2006. Later the same year, I wrote the book The Secret, which enabled me to share more of what I had discovered.
So रोंडा बर्न को ये सितंबर 9, 2004 में ये बुक मिली, साइंस ऑफ गेटिंग रिच। शी स्टार्टेड हर जर्नी फ्रॉम देयर। पूरी लाइफ उनकी, क्योंकि थिंकिंग चेंज हो गई, तुरंत ही बुक ने पूरी लाइफ की थिंकिंग बदल दी। तो उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, शी स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग इन दैट सीक्रेट एंड शी स्टार्टेड रिसर्चिंग। और वो हमारे जैसे ही एक नॉर्मल लेडी थी जो स्ट्रगल कर रही थी पूरी लाइफ। She was struggling her life. She was struggling to make ends meet. She was struggling to pay her bills. And क्या हुआ, ये सीक्रेट आने के बाद कितने सारे ऑब्स्टिकल भी आए तो भी इन्होंने एक अपना सपना बना लिया कि मुझे सीक्रेट मूवी बनाना है और उसको पूरे वर्ल्ड में लाना है. So that is why she released this secret movie in 2006, or same year later, she also wrote the book. Okay, so let's read further.
Where we were, I could see.
When the secret was released.
Okay. When The Secret was released, it traveled at lightning speed and was passed from one person to another across the planet. Today, tens of millions of people in every country in the world have changed their lives in the most incredible ways with this knowledge. As people learn how to change their lives with The Secret, they shared thousands of amazing stories with me, and I received more insights into why people experience such difficulties in their lives. And with those insights came the knowledge of the power, knowledge that can change lives instantly. The Secret reveals the law of attraction, the most powerful law that governs our lives. The power contains the essence of everything I have learned since The Secret was released in 2006. In The Power, you will come to understand that all it takes is just one thing to change your relationships, money, health, happiness, career, and your entire life. You don't need to have read The Secret for The Power to change your life, because everything you need to know is contained in The Power. If you have read The Secret, then this book will add immeasurably to what you already know. There is so much for you to know. There is so much for you to understand about yourself and your life. And it is all good. In fact, it is beyond good. It is phenomenal.
Yes, so it is all good, beyond good, and phenomenal. The way these books are written, it will completely change change the way you think right now. So यहाँ पे वही बात की है उन्होंने कि कैसे आपको ये once you know the power, it will change everything for you. Okay, so we will read from acknowledgements tomorrow, and we can read our heart thought. Okay, so our heart thought for today is really, really wonderful. There are people looking for exactly what you have to offer, and you are being brought together on the checkerboard of life. So see, there are people looking for exactly what you have to offer. So जब आपको पता चल जाता है कि आपको क्या काम है जो आपके लिए बना है, what is the work that you are meant to do. Whenever you know that there are people you can offer your services to, whatever you have to offer, you are being brought together on the checkerboard of life. When you start believing all this, everything will change for you. All the circumstances will change, and it will bring all the people together for you to offer your work. So today's heart thought, I want all of you to write this affirmation for today, and other two affirmations I will give in the group. Okay, so okay, let me ask you all, are you all writing the affirmations right now which I gave you last time for 21 days? Anybody writing the affirmation? Or whatever you're resonating with. I also told you, whatever like your current circumstances, you can write those affirmations as well. So please let me know. Before moving further, I want to know if you have been writing or not. Maybe write in the chat box. Yeah. Yes, Rekha, you told earlier, so that's fine. But other people, please tell me, have you been writing the affirmation? These are very important. Affirmations are very important. Don't discount it. Okay, Manoharji is writing. Very nice. Hatim, have you been writing?
Yes, I write the affirmations. The affirmations which you have given, I wrote it for 21 days. And from 1 week, I'm not writing it regularly, but I'm writing the affirmations as per my need. What I want today, I write the affirmation in my book and then start my day. I do it this way.
Yeah, that is also fine. But why I saying okay, so she changed only, not write it. No, actually, Harpreet, I would like you to write now on, because क्या होता है कि चेंज करते ठीक है, पर चेंज करते करते कभी कभी हमारे पूरे सेंसेस अवेलेबल नहीं होते उस टाइम पे. So that's why I want you to write, because whenever you write with your subconscious mind. Whatever you write directly goes into your subconscious mind, and sometimes even it comes from your subconscious mind. So that is why writing it 7 times will help you a lot. And why I'm saying 21 days के लिए भी लिखना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि आपको अब जब रोज 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 उसको लिखते हैं तो वो आपके सबकॉन्शियस पे इम्प्रिंट होता है. इसीलिए
हाँ जी. 1 year से कर रही हूँ मैं मैजिक बुक, तो मैंने बहुत सारे मैजिक देखे इन द एरियाज ऑफ रिलेशनशिप एंड मनी, बट नाउ आई एम फोकस कर रही हूँ मैं सेल्फ लव.
अच्छा अच्छा.
मुझे अपने लिए करना है तो उसके लिए जो अफर्मेशंस है वो डेली मिरर प्रैक्टिस तो करती हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
जैसे हेयर ग्रोथ के लिए आई हैव लॉन्ग हेयर, तो वो मिरर में देख के मैं बोलती हूँ डेली.
अच्छा.
तो वेट लूज का भी था, तो वेट लूज 2 वीक्स से स्टार्ट किया, 3.5 kg लूज किया अभी.
वाओ.
और मेरे को ये अच्छा लगा अफर्मेशंस वाला. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू. दिस इज न्यू फॉर मी. अफर्मेशंस लिखनी है 21 डेज के लिए. आई होप कि मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ अच्छा रखा हुआ है इस ग्रुप में, और मैं ले लूंगी वो सब कुछ.
Thank you so much, Harpreet, for joining in. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much too. Thank you.
Yeah, and thank you so much for sharing on the first day. It will definitely give so much value to all my other participants. Like, you know, जो भी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं वो यहाँ पे आते हैं, तो उनको भी बहुत बूस्ट मिलता है कि हाँ ये सब चीजें काम करती है. क्योंकि अभी जब आप नया नया कुछ भी चालू करते हैं तो आपको फेथ नहीं होता है, पर जब आप कंटिन्यूअसली करते हैं तो फेथ खुद अपने आप बढ़ने लगता है. तो हरप्रीत, आप आए यहाँ पे, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, और आपने बहुत ही अच्छा शेयरिंग किया.
हाँ, बहुत कुछ नया है सीखने को, अभी सीखेंगे.
हाँ, इवन आई एम लर्निंग. वी ऑल आर सीकर्स ओनली. कोई भी यहाँ पे वो नहीं है, पंडित तो कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे, पर हम लोग सब सीख रहे हैं अभी खुद. और यस, मुझे इतना पता है कि हम कहीं ना कहीं पे जरूर पहुंचेंगे विद दिस जर्नी. तो
sure.
yes. So yeah, Harpreet, I would suggest you write 7 times every day. अभी जैसे आप आपका सेल्फ लव कर रहे हैं, मिरर बुक करते होंगे, जैसे ये पावर बुक खत्म
हो रही है.
अच्छा.
मिरर बुक भी ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया है, वो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. मे बी कल मॉर्निंग से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. वो भी बुक है मेरे पास.
ओके, वेरी नाइस हरप्रीत. तो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग जैसे पावर बुक खत्म होगी उसके बाद मिरर बुक लेने वाले हैं. तो मिरर बुक मुझे पता है कि बहुत जरूरी है. जब तक आप सेल्फ लव नहीं डेवलप करते तब तक आप अपने लाइफ में इतना ज्यादा वो नहीं पा सकते हो, यू नो, जो आपको चाहिए, जो आपके ड्रीम्स है. तो इसीलिए मिरर वर्क भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है करने के लिए. तो वो भी हम लोग चालू करेंगे नेक्स्ट मंथ से, जब भी ये पावर बुक खत्म होती है. पर अभी मैं सबके माइंड के थॉट्स के ऊपर काम करना चाहती हूँ कि एटलीस्ट सबको ये आ जाना चाहिए कि कैसे हमें हमारे थॉट्स के ऊपर वॉच रखनी है एवरी डे. तो ये पावर बुक हमें सिखाएगी. ओके. और ये लुइस है कि हार्ट थॉट्स तो जबरदस्त है. तो रोज हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, लास्ट मंथ से हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, तो हमने बहुत सारा ऑलरेडी कवर किया हुआ है. बट अभी भी बहुत सारे हार्ट थॉट्स है. लाइक दिस इज गोइंग टू स्टे फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 months. So this books is we are going to read every day, like one heart thought from every day from this book. Okay, so let's I will read further. So I rejoice in my employment. My job is to express God. I rejoice in this employment. I give thanks for every opportunity to demonstrate the power of divine intelligence to work through me. Anytime I'm presented with a challenge, I know it's an opportunity from God, my employer, and I quiet my intellect, turn within, and wait for words of treatment to fill my mind. I accept these blessed revelations with joy, and I know that I'm worthy of my just reward for a job well done. So, यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं लुइस है, आई रिजॉइस इन माई एम्प्लॉयमेंट. हम यहाँ पे सब कुछ ना कुछ तो काम करते हैं, वी एवरीबडी, राइट? Either we are a housewife, either we are doing a job, either we are doing business, whatever, we all are doing some things in life. और हमारा एम्प्लॉयर कौन है? गॉड. गॉड इज अवर एम्प्लॉयर. So जब भी, whenever we are faced with any challenges, we are presented with a challenge, what we need to do? Just turn within, ask for the divine intelligence to give you the power, to give you the wisdom to solve that challenge whenever it is in your life. और see it as an opportunity कि आपके पास अगर ये challenge आया है तो गॉड आपको कुछ ना कुछ टेस्ट कर रहे हैं, टेस्ट करना चाहते हैं यहाँ पे. इसीलिए आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ चैलेंज. तो जैसे मैं अपनी बात करूं तो जो मेरी लास्ट ईयर की जो मेरा चैलेंज आया था, जो ब्रेकडाउन आया था, दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट ब्लेसिंग ऑफ माय लाइफ. वहां से मेरी लाइफ चेंज हुई, स्टार्ट होनी. आई केम अक्रॉस ऑल दिस ग्रुप्स हु वर डूइंग दिस मैजिक बुक, and I started doing it, and everything changed upside down for myself. Everything. So, okay, let me read. I accept these blessed revelations with joy and know that I'm worthy of my just reward for a job well done. In exchange for this exhilarating job, I am abundantly compensated. My fellow employees, all humankind, are supportive, loving, cheerful, enthusiastic, and powerful workers in the field of spiritual unfoldment, whether they choose to be aware of it or not. I see them as a perfect expression of one mind diligently applying themselves to their jobs, working for this unseen yet ever present Chief Operating Officer, the ultimate chairman of the board. I know that my creative activity elicits financial abundance for the job of expressing God is ever rewarded, and so it is. So this is all, we all are employers and we all are employees and our employer is God. And जब हम हमारा जॉब बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से करते हैं तो we get all these rewards. We get compensated in the form of love, in the form of abundance in every area of our life. Okay, so let's conclude our session today with a meditation. So whoever want to leave, they can leave. I'm sorry I took a little more today because this was an introduction session. So I wanted to make sure that you all understand, all the new joinees, they understand what it is that we are taking on. And so that is why it took a little more. Okay, so let's start. I'll put on the music and we'll do like about 10-minute meditation. Thank you, Hatim. Thank you.
Pop quiz. What's the fastest way to raise your credit score? Is it A?
Okay, so I will put on the music here. So let's everybody Keep our back straight. Our hands are like this, facing the heavens above. And close your eyes now. So let's take a deep breaths, 3-4 deep breaths to relax our mind. So let's take a deep breath in and we will count up to 7. When we take a deep breath in, then we hold for a count up to 7 or whatever you can do if it is for you for its first time. And then we release it for a count up to 7. Okay, so let's start. Breathe in. Hold it for 7. Exhale up to count of 7. Again, breathe in. Hold. Release. Again, breathe in. Release. When you breathe in, observe your stomach should pop as a balloon. It should fill the air in the stomach, not in your lungs, not in the diaphragm area. Okay, let's again take a deep breath in. Hold. Release. Now just observe your breathing. Just observe your breathing and focus on your heart. Life is truly magical. We are born here to live an amazing life. We are born here to have some purpose in life, to live our purpose. We are here to have all the abundance in life. When we look around, there is so much abundance in our surroundings. All the trees are so beautiful. The birds chirping is so beautiful. The ocean, the sunrise and sunsets are so beautiful. Today I behold all the abundance in my life. I observe what is going on, which is with all the perfection in our life. God has made everything so perfect, so aligned, so beautiful. So let's observe all that beauties that surround us, and also observe the beauty that is within us, because we are powerful. We are powerful individuals. Right now, what we are doing, we are looking the power outside of us. But now, today on, we tap into the power within and bring the joy and bliss to our own self and the people around us. Life is truly, truly, truly a blessing. Each day we are faced with challenges, but those challenges get us higher and higher in the spirituality, in life. We are climbing the ladder slowly and steadily. We are climbing the ladder because now we know that power is within us. So let's explore the power. Let's say to our heart that, heart, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And tell it to slow down. You don't have to have any fear, my heart. You don't have to be worrying about the future, because life always supports us. God sent us into this earth, on this planet, and He is the one who will take care of us. And right now He is taking care of us. So why to worry? Why to fear? Let's just rejoice in His employment. Life is truly, truly beautiful and it is blissful. So let's believe that. Now let's imagine the white light, white golden light coming from our fair forehead, which is cleansing our minds, our brains, cascading down through our throat and neck. And now it's going down from our spine, from our hands, our palms, circulating and taking all the negativity out of us. Now it's cascading down more and more in our spine, in our upper lower back, and also in our lungs. It takes all the toxicity from lungs, from our heart, all those debris of hurt, resentment, fear, guilt, worry, all those negative feelings, and it's cascading down again to our gut area, to our digestive tract. Now it's cascading down to our hips, to our thighs, taking away all the pain, all the resentment, all the aches in our thinking, in our muscles, taking down with it. And now it's cascading down from our calves, from our lower legs to feet, and so it goes to the earth. Our Mother Earth always provides us with so much love, and it takes all our negativity out. So let's thank our Mother Earth today for so much it has given to us. Now let's rub your palm. Let's rub our palms together to bring in a healthy energy flow. And now bless each of our body parts to contain this energy. Let's bless our head. Let's thank it. Let's thank our conscious and subconscious mind, our third eye chakra in the forehead, our eyes, our nose, our ears, mouth, and our throat and neck area, our shoulders, hand, palms, our heart, our magical heart, which was born even before we were born in this world. That was the first thing to develop. Let's bless our lungs, our internal organs, all of them. Let's bless our spine, our back, hips, our thighs, knees, calves, feet, sole of the feet, our toes. And let's just thank, before we move on, let's thank our body, our trillions of cells, which work every day tirelessly for us. Let's thank them. Thank you, thank you, thank you, life. The gift of life is keeping me alive. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you, universe, for everything, for all the abundance in my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Okay, everyone. So,
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you so much for joining in. So, see you all tomorrow. Namaste. Thank you for joining in.
Namaste.
Love you all. And have a good rest of your day. Thank you.
Thank you, Alefia.
Thank you, Mummy. Thank you so much.